What's up YouTube, welcome to howto channel, and today guys I'm going to show you how can you download convert PDF into Word. So before beginning, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you all my subscribers who have subscribed my channel. And before getting this into this video, I'm going to show you that please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's get started. Making changes to a PDF file isn't an easy task, and that's why converting a PDF file into an editable Word document can just make everything easier. In this video I will tell you about a few methods through which you can convert PDF files into editable Word documents for free. Before we go ahead, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Now let's get started. So first method is, you can see here, I will go to type here hipdf.com. you can click here, and then you can see here PDF to Word. So just click here and just drag or choose file. I will choose file from here, and I will choose this is my
way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.